Welcome back, and now it's time for you to shine. So introducing the final capstone project. So this can be any project of your choice on any concept, on any pain point, and the only thing that's required from you is that you make those connections. That means you have some form that is sending or submitting stuff to the database via the server, and then you fetch things from your database and send it back, right, to the client or the front end. So if you are confused about what all this is, then definitely go back and watch the previous video where we create a to-do list app from scratch. So that will really help you understand what I'm talking about right now in the first two requirements. The third one would be to use an external API, to display some minor data. Okay, this is again to practice how we can fetch an external API and display the data within your project. So within the APIs session, I have also given a link to where you can find some good amount of APIs for free, so that you can go check that out as well. Okay, so here I'm giving you an example. Suppose you are planning to build a blog, then you'll have this home page. That's one criteria, home page, where displaying all the information is going to happen. The very important thing, the next thing is that you'll have a form to create this particular posts. So this will be your post or blog draft. Okay, so here you can see title and content. When you submit this, it should the post should be displayed over here dynamically. Okay, so dynamically in the sense it's going to be displayed from your database back to server to the client. Okay, so that's what is required, mainly that whole concept. And as I said, API, you can definitely add an external API to display some code or something for just a practice of APIs as well. And here you can see I've used partials. This is something that in the EGS session we had covered. So how you can add in header and footer to each and every page. So you have it the same exact header and footer here as well. Okay, so you can do that, and if you meet all these criteria, definitely your capstone project is marked successfully. Hope this was clear. Thank you for watching, and hope all these sessions that we have done from week 1 will enable you to build those complex projects, add them in your resume, and eventually land that role that you aspire for. So that's it from my side. If you have any questions, any comments or feedback, then put them down in the comments below and I'll try to answer them accordingly.